How do I turn a Python datetime into a string, with readable format date? How do I turn that into a string?
The datetime class has a method strophtime. The Python docs documents the different formats it accepts, strophtime and striptime behavior. For this specific example, it would look something like.
Here is how you can accomplish the same using Python's general formatting function. The formatting characters used here are the same as those used by striptime. Don't miss the leading column in the format specifier. Using format instead of striptime in most cases can make the code more readable, easier to write and consistent with the way formatted output is generated. Compare the above with the following striptime alternative. Moreover, the following is not going to work. And so on.
Using f-strings in Python 3.6+.
Very old question, I know. But with the new f-strings, starting from Python 3.6, there are fresh options. So here for completeness. Strophtime and striptime behavior explains what the format specifiers mean.
Python datetime object has a method attribute, which prints in readable format.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.